For this next project, we're going to use a Google Doc to create a paragraph proof as an entire class. Each class period has a link on my wiki with a Google document for the period. Before clicking the Assigned Periods project, make sure that you are logged into your own personal Google account, either by using a Gmail or another account that you've created before. Clicking the link will take you to a Google Doc that everyone in the class will be editing at the same time. Each page is what your peers will be seeing at the same exact time you will. There's examples for you to go through and areas for you to do the typing and create the project. Within those areas, the first area that you want to look at is labeling and redrawing the scenario. To label and draw it, click the Insert tab, select the drawing tool, and a window will pop up where you can draw either freehand using segments or using the shapes that are already made. Clicking Save and Close will insert those shapes directly into your Google Doc. Scrolling down, there's a 2-column proof where you're going to do a rough draft of what will be in your paragraph proof. There should be enough space for the paragraph proof. Everyone will be working together on this. And at the end of creating the project, there are several questions to the right in the comments section. To answer these questions, please make sure you just click the question and type in your reply. Do not select resolve as everyone will need to reply and answer each question